Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your Instagram Reels not scrolling error. Now, firstly, I'm going to teach you 3 methods on how to fix this error. So the first and the easiest method is to go to your application menu page and scroll down and find this Instagram application icon. Once you find the Instagram application icon, go ahead and long press on it like this. And once you do that, a menu will pop up, and on that menu simply click on that uninstall button. And once you uninstall the application, open up Play Store on your device. So search for Play Store and open it up. Once Play Store opens up on your device, on the bottom right corner you'll see this search option. Go ahead and click on it. And once you click on that, on the top of your page you'll see the search bar, and type in INSTAGRAM and hit the search button. And once you see the Instagram application, just install it by clicking on the install button. Now once you install Instagram back, your Instagram Reels not scrolling problem should be solved. Now if that method doesn't solve your problem, the second method is to check for updates. So as you can see, I am on Play Store and I have searched for Instagram, so you do that too. And if you see this update button, go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, and once the updated version of Instagram is installed into your device, your Instagram Reels not scrolling problem should be solved. So if those 2 methods did not solve your problem for you, don't worry, I have another method in store for you. Now for this method, firstly go ahead and find the settings application on your device and open that up. After the settings menu opens up on your screen, scroll down and find this apps option. Once you click on the apps option, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, find this all apps option and click on it. Once you click on the all apps option, all the applications on your device will appear on your screen. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this search option. Go ahead and click on it and then type in INSTAGRAM and then click on the Instagram application. Now on this page, firstly on the right hand side you'll see this force stop option. Go ahead and click on it and then click on OK. And once you do that, the second step is to click on the storage and cache option, and on this page on the right hand side click on this clear cache option. And once you do that, all the excess data which is not used to you will be deleted from your phone, and you will be able to use Instagram fully, and your Reels not scrolling problem will be solved. I hope this video helped you to fix your Reels not scrolling problem. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.